Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ryan. You may know me as Havoc. In this one, we're going to unbox and take a look at these. The Jabees Firefly Vintage True Wireless Earbuds. And just a heads up, Jabees did send these to me so I can unbox them on my channel. Now before we get into the video, real quick, I want to talk about my VIP club. Head over to havocclub.com and get signed up today. We have a lot of great incentives that I think you're going to enjoy. Currently, these earbuds are $50 on Amazon, and they have a $4 off coupon. Also, if you're an Amazon Prime member, you get an additional $2 off. At the time of this video, these earbuds are $44. I'll put a link down in the description below where you can pick them up. By the end of this video, you're going to see why this is a steal for these earbuds. These come in two different colors. They have a bronze color and a black color. The black is a solid black on the case, and then black on the earbuds. And for the bronze earbuds, they are black and bronze. The earbuds that Jabees sent me today are the bronze pair. Now, let's head over to the setup and get these unboxed. The box is pretty standard. It's got a nice black finish with gold/bronze writing. You can see all the logos and the product on the front of the case. As we flip it over, you can see there's kind of a cloth little pull tab. That's how you get everything out of the case. And the back side of the box, it talks about all the features. The pull tab is a great little accessory to get everything out of the main box. You can see we have really kind of high quality vintage look here. We have the Jabees logo in bronze, as well as the accessories inside boxes in bronze. Everything comes in two boxes. One box has the earbuds and the other box is the accessories. Inside the accessories box, we have quite a few little items. We'll get these spread out here so we can look at everything a little better. From left to right, we have this really kind of cool neck lanyard. These tips, they go on to the end of the earbuds, and they're really meant to make it so you don't lose the earbuds. So if you're out running or out and about and you're walking, you want to talk to somebody, you can just pop these out of your ear, and the little lanyard here will make it so you don't lose them. We have a large bag of ear tips. Now these come in multiple sizes from small to large, but not just actual sizes when it comes to width. They also have different depth sizes. I haven't seen these in other earbuds, especially at this price range. When I first unboxed these, they fell out on my ears pretty easily, but once I found the correct tips in this bag, they stay in no problem. So when you unbox yours, make sure you test out the different size tips. You'll find ones that work well for you. The Jabees Firefly Vintage Quick Reference Manual, we don't really need that. And then finally, we have a USB-C cable. USB-C cable standard, I'm glad it comes with it. Now we have the little Jabees box. This has the actual earbuds inside of it. We'll crack it open. You can see a nice minimal case with the Jabees logo on top. It's shiny, kind of has some flake in it. On the front here, we have the actual lights that showcase the power and or charging. Bottom, made in China. The back side, we have the USB-C port. The case is really nice and compact. It fits in a pocket very easy. A little more information about this case. It is wireless Qi compatible charging. You often don't see that in earbuds in this price range. Most of the time you have to plug them in via USB-C. This one, we have wireless charging. Thank you, Jabees. And the case itself is a 500 milliamp battery capacity. The earbuds have excellent battery life. They have up to 10 hours of playtime on a single charge. This case has the capability of recharging these earbuds up to 3 times. You flip the lid open, you can see they automatically go into pairing mode. We have earbuds on both sides. They have a nice tactile feel. Both sides magnet, pops right back in, makes it really easy to put back into the case. We have the power button on the front. If you hold that power button down for 10 seconds, it'll put it in reset mode. And then if you hold it down for 3 seconds, it'll put it into pairing mode. The lid is a little weird on these. You can see it falls down if you lean it. And because I have kind of bigger fingers, sometimes I have troubles trying to pick these up without closing the lid by accident. These earbuds have a waterproof rating of IPX5, so you should be okay when you're out and about running around if you get stuck in some rain. These are not earbuds you're going to submerge in water. You have the Jabees logo on the side. It has touch controls and a kind of tactile click control. What you'll find out is these are actually really great in that when you do a single touch on the right, it'll increase the volume. If you hold down the button in the middle for a couple seconds, it'll put it into gaming mode. Same thing on the left earbud. You touch it once and the volume will decrease. And then if you hold down the button in the middle, it'll take it out of gaming mode. One thing I found I really enjoyed about these is they do control the volume on the device you are listening to. Often earbuds, when you use the volume control, they will control the volume of the earbuds. They don't control the volume of the device. I found with these, both on my phone and my desktop computer, it controlled the volume of the device. So that's a big plus. Another thing you don't see very often in earbuds of this price range. Looking here at the tips again, as I said before, when they came out of the box, they fell out of my ears really easily. Once I tested out the different ear tips, I found ones that worked really well for me. Now they stay in no problem. These are a little unlike your traditional earbuds. So your traditional earbuds either kind of just the small in your ears, or they have a stem. These are kind of a, I'd say combined mix, where they have your typical little guys that go in and they have a partial stem. There's a microphone at the end and there's a microphone towards the top. Let's talk a little bit about the bass, the mids, and the treble. These have 6mm drivers. I found the bass was nice, deep, and rich, but it didn't overpower the mids and the highs. I really liked the bass sound when it came to gaming. Let's talk a little bit about the gaming mode with these. You turn the gaming mode on by holding down one of the buttons on the earbuds for 2 seconds. What this does is it lowers your latency to about 80 milliseconds. There is one problem that I want to let you know about. Because you have to push the button on the earbud for a couple seconds to turn gaming mode on, it can really feel like you're smashing the earbud into your ear. And quite frankly, it can be a little uncomfortable. Let's talk about the microphone a little bit. While it does have 4 built-in microphones, I don't think it has a real crisp audio sound, but I wouldn't expect that from a $40 pair of earbuds. I think these will do well for phone calls when you're on the go, but if you want to use them for video calls like on Zoom, I don't think these are the pair for you. Let's take a listen. This is Havoc, and I'm testing the Jabees Firefly Vintage Bluetooth Wireless Earbuds. And I'm recording this to check the microphone quality. Check 1, 2, 3. Check 1, 2, 3. Let's discuss the pros and the cons of the Jabees Firefly Vintage. Pros. We got Bluetooth 5.2, that Qualcomm optics chip. There's a gaming mode that lowers your latency, the push button and the touch capabilities. We have the wireless charging case, again at $40. You don't usually see that in earbuds in this price range. They have environmental noise canceling. It works out pretty well. They have a nice, deep, rich bass sound, and the case is small and fits in your pocket really nice. The final pro I really enjoyed a lot is the earbuds control the volume on the device you're listening to. So they don't just control the volume of the earbuds, they control the volume of your device. Let's talk about the cons a little bit. I'd say probably the biggest con I had was the quality of the microphone. At $40, you're probably not expecting much. And while their website says they are good in an office environment, I think they are for listening, but they are not for video calls like Zoom. As we saw earlier in the video, the sample that I have, the case closes on its own very easily. I wasn't really a big fan of that. Sometimes with bigger hands and fingers, it was tough to keep the actual case open while you got the earbuds out of the case. And finally, the push button technology, where you have to hold the button down for 2 seconds to put it in game mode, really feels like you're smashing the earbuds into your ears. It is not a pleasant experience. And there you have it, the Firefly Vintage Earbuds from Jabees. Once again, thank you to the team over at Jabees for sending these to unbox on my channel. At about $40 on Amazon, these are definitely a pair of earbuds you should look at picking up, especially if you have somebody with a Switch. These are great to connect to the Switch and listen to while you're hanging out and gaming with the family. If you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you know when the next one drops, and we'll see you next time.